Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video vlog, it's just a short video. I'm on my break and I have 1 hour break time. So for today's episode guys, I would say that today's shift is very good. Why? Because yung kapartner ko sa Shigoto, yung Shigoto ko by the way today is Nikkei. That's from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So yung partner ko is Myanmar girl. So she is actually a Jishusei, a trainee visa holder. Ayan, and it's a rare that kaming dalawa is magka-pares or magka-pair sa Shigoto. So yung gawain sa Nikkei, again, that's more on offerone, taking a bath sa Ryusha Sama. Gusto ko lang din i-share na meron ang kaming bagong patient.
Meron palang nagtanong guys is ano yung pinakamahirap sa isang caregiver dito sa Japan? Well, siguro ang pinakamahirap lang talaga is like kasi nga mataas yung nintisyon nila, yung dementia, nasakit. So parang you should extend more patience. So gaman mo to nobaste kurimasen ka ne. So ano pa ba? Mahirap, sa side ko naman po guys, mahirap pa rin yung pakikipag-communicate ko sa mga leader, sa mga kasamahan ko sa trabaho, kasi nga always Nihongo, no? So we will use Nihongo every day. Parang hitakuso, pero I'm doing my very best guys. The only problem here, kasi nga gusto ko lang i-share na minsan I feel sad kasi yung pagpapaliko ba ng mga bedridden, parang sa akin na lang talaga ba? Why always me? So parang ewan ko, bigat sa loob guys. Kung hindi man ako yung Myanmar na kasamahan ko, parang I feel na bakit ba hindi sila na bakit hindi niya ipapagawa sa ko ni Honjin niya. Ewan ko po guys sa leader ko. Pero anyway, that's part of the job and I accept that heartily. Pero there are times na nag-refuse talaga ako guys, kasi nga minsan alam mo ba yung guys, yung you are working 18 hours and then the next day you will be asked to have the Shinyoku, which is very tiring. I don't know, but I felt pity for myself that why I should do this. And some, like my friend, hi Chiro-san, shout out. I know that palagi kitang I always share something bad. I don't know how to express, but anyway guys, minsan mabigat talaga, pero I really did my best. I'm working very hard and I know nakikita nila na si Irish parang kang matiro sa Shigoto ne. Gusto ko lang i-share guys na ang bigat talaga sa loob pag sa akin na lang talaga lahat. Parang why me? Why always me? If alam niyo guys, yung leave ako, yung Myanmar din na naman yung pinapagawa nila, yung Akituki, 'di ba? Abunay dami. Parang bawal kasi 'yon, pero ako sabi naman ng leader is kana dikere badaki, pero sige, iyan ko na lang kasi nga napaisip ako, kawawa naman yung pasyente. If hindi ako gagawa ngayon, baka the next week pa siya gagawin or ewan ko, walang gumagawa, I don't know. But I'm still thankful for the experience, the time na na-accept ako sa kasya na to. I'm still grateful and blessed. Well, let's see what would be the upcoming months, years. And that's it for today's episode, guys. And my 1 hour break is already done. And thank you for always watching my video. Babalik na ako sa trabaho. And today is a very relaxing day because shout out to Yamin Chang. Otsukare-sama desu, Yamin Chang. Arigatai. I'm thinking tomorrow, I'll be doing again the Shinyoku. Bedridden, taking a bath. And if you don't mind, that's a total of 4. And take note, mabibigat po sila guys. And 3 sa kanila is nita mamarakit, katay, parang kataso yung katawan. So yung isa naman parang abarilo ko to, parang kanya ba, ganun ka, kaya gambarimasu. So again, thank you so much for always watching my video. See you on my next upload. Bye bye.